Are we on? How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'm going to be doing some American Southern food. Some delicious Southern food. Barbecue chicken, sweet potato mash, and some sauteed cabbage with some roasted onions. I've got a nice juicy chicken breast, and I'm going to put it on the grill to give them char marks, to get that char flavour, and baste it with some barbecue sauce. Cut. Hang on a minute. Just hold on a minute, Steve. Hang on. He never told you. The barbecue sauce I use in this video was leftover barbecue sauce from my previous video. So if you want to have a go at making it, I'll put a link at the end and you can have a go. And it's absolutely delicious. You can use store-bought barbecue sauce, but it's not the same as homemade sauce. So go ahead and making it. You'll definitely tell the difference. All right. Proceed. Carry on. Whatever. Sorry. And finish it off in the oven. It's going to be delicious. And sweet potato mash. I couldn't stand it when I first came here. Sweet potatoes. But I nibbled them a bit more over the years, and I've gotten to like them. But my go-to for sweet potato mash is smoked paprika, honey, roasted. You've got to roast them to get a really nice flavour on the mash. Oh, and they are delicious. And to finish, some nice sauteed cabbage, and that does not take long to cook at all. And you want some texture in there, and it goes very well with the roasted red onions. So slap a like on this video, subscribe, share, click on that bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So sit back and relax. Enjoy. Thanks, guys. For the sweet potato mash, top and tail sweet potatoes, peel, slice in half again, and chop. Transfer to a roasting tray, followed by smoked paprika, olive oil, salt and pepper, and mix. Next, slice onions into quarters and leave the root on. This will keep the onions together. Add to the tray, followed by 1 garlic bulb. Drizzle olive oil on top of the onions and garlic. Now place in the oven and cook. When cooked, take out the onions and garlic and put to one side. Transfer the sweet potatoes to a bowl and mash. Add the roasted garlic, mash. Now change to a spatula for a smooth texture. Next, add a drop of milk, season to taste, chives, mix and keep warm. I used a double boiler covered with foil. For this recipe, I'm using leftover barbecue sauce, which I made on my previous video. Click on the link at the end if you want to make it. For the protein, I'll be using a delicious juicy chicken breast. Add olive oil, season, then transfer to a hot grill. I really want that smoky grill flavour. Turn over and brush with barbecue sauce. You can add as much as you like. Now finish off in the oven. While the chicken is cooking, thinly slice red cabbage. Remove the root from the onions and roughly chop. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Add the cabbage, salt and pepper. Now cook for 5 minutes. Add roasted onions, red wine vinegar, and cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook the cabbage, you still want some texture. When the chicken is cooked, rest for 5 minutes, finish off with barbecue sauce and serve. So there you have it, some delicious southern food for you to tuck into. Thanks guys.